Welcome to Gianti's kitchen. I made this carrot cake. You could leave it decorated like this, or it could be plain. It's one of the best cakes I've ever made. Had all the properties, fluffy and moist that I wanted. Please continue watching how I made this cake. Welcome back. To make a moist carrot cake, we need 2 cups of grated carrots, half a cup of mixed fruit, 1 cup of brown sugar, and I also use half of white sugar, half a cup, 4 eggs, baking powder and baking soda, a teaspoon each, with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of cloves. Cloves can be overpowering. Zest from 1 lemon or 1.5 teaspoons. 3 cups of flour and vegetable oil, 1 cup. This will make it moist as compared to using margarine. It has been sifted, so I'm going to add the baking powders and soda with the salt and once it's sifted, I mixed everything together. In another bowl, I'm going to beat the eggs or whisk the eggs as the case may be, and I'm going to beat it until it has entrapped air and it's light. See the air bubbles, so I'm not going to over mix it. I'm going to add the sugars, the brown and the white sugar. I'm going to mix the sugar and the eggs. You could use a whisk. The vegetable oil goes in. I'm going to add the cinnamon and the cloves. It's very important that you use a strainer, particularly if you made the cloves at home for yourself. I mean, if you grinded the cloves yourself. We're building up the flavors. Let's add the lemon zest to it. Grated carrots. It is well combined. So that does it. I'm not going to use a mixer again. The rest will be done by hand. That's the folding. I'm going to fold in the flour in 2 batches. Fold it in, and the final batch, fold that in as well. Adding about 2 teaspoons of flour to the fruits so that it doesn't go to the bottom of the batter. And if you are wondering about preservation, this cake finished in under 3 days. So I'm going to pour fruits inside and fold it inside the batter, and being careful not to over. So it's all folded in evenly, and I'm going to bake in a greased and dusted pan in a preheated oven until it is done. Our cake is done. Thank you so much for watching.